Final Asian U23 Championship Cup 2025 mempertemukan dua kekuatan besar Asia Tenggara, yakni Timnas Indonesia dengan Vietnam di kejuaraan internasional kelompok umur tersebut. Laga antara Skuad Garuda menghadapi Prajurit Bintang Emas bakal digelar di Stadion Gelora Bung Karno pada Selasa 29 Juli 2025 pukul 20 waktu Indonesia Barat. Final ini dipastikan bakal berlangsung panas dan penuh gengsi. Pasalnya, antara Skuad Garuda maupun Prajurit Bintang Emas merupakan rival yang tidak hanya di level senior, tetapi juga di kelompok umur atau under 23. Lalu, bagaimana head to head dari dua tim tersebut? Berdasarkan data yang dihimpun dari Scoreway, Vietnam Under 23 unggul dalam jumlah kemenangan atas Indonesia. Tim berjulukan Prajurit Bintang Emas tersebut telah membukukan 6 kemenangan dalam berbagai ajang melawan Garuda. Beberapa kemenangan Vietnam tercatat cukup mencolok, seperti kemenangan 5-0 di SEA Games 2015, 3-0 di SEA Games 2019 dan 2021, hingga kemenangan 6-5 melalui adu penalti pada Piala AFF usia 23 tahun 2023 setelah laga imbang tanpa gol selama waktu normal. Namun, Indonesia juga punya sejarah manis atas Vietnam. Salah satu yang paling diingat adalah kemenangan 3-2 di SEA Games 2023. Kemenangan yang membuktikan bahwa Garuda bisa tampil superior saat dibutuhkan. Kini dengan status sebagai tuan rumah dan dukungan penuh publik Gelora Bung Karno, Timnas Indonesia punya peluang besar untuk membalikkan dominasi Vietnam dan mencatat sejarah baru dengan menjuarai Asean U23 Championship Cup untuk kali pertama.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they don't let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Pertemuan Timnas Under-23 antara Indonesia dan Vietnam dalam berbagai kompetisi resmi. Dari 10 pertemuan terakhir di ajang kelompok umur, Vietnam mengoleksi 6 kemenangan. Indonesia meraih 3 kemenangan dan 1 laga berakhir imbang.
Jangan lupa subscribe channel YouTube Vlog Jurnalis Kutaraja, catatan seorang jurnalis.